Can you hear me? Mic check, 1098-765-4321.
Sounds good.
Sound good? All right.
Slush have established itself as a premier European tech event.
It's a place where the greatest minds in tech and venture come together in one place for 3 days.
It normalizes the idea that starting a company and going on this wild journey as a founder is actually pretty cool.
The breadth of the companies, the ecosystem that's in here in one place, it's phenomenal.
This is like World Series of startups.
The level of the excitement, the sense of the community, and the quality of what you're doing is just really unbelievable.
Don't let the cold deter you. It's one of the best events.